Well, now that the NFL trade deadline has came and gone, we're looking at the New York Jets, who was the most active team yesterday at the deadline in a surprise move. Now, we all saw, rumors of Quinnen Williams possibly being moved, so that was no surprise when he got moved to the Dallas Cowboys. But nobody's seen Sauce Gardner getting traded from the New York Jets to the Indianapolis Colts in a surprising blockbuster move. And all in total, the moves that they made, sending Quinnen Williams to the Dallas Cowboys, and also sending Sauce Gardner to Indy and getting back A.D. Mitchell in exchange as part of that deal. This is what the Jets walked away with after yesterday's sale. They kept Jermaine Johnson, so to me that's an indication that both Aaron Glenn is safe this season, and they're probably going to pay Jermaine Johnson since they moved Quinnen Williams. So these are the draft picks that the New York Jets ended up with after the selling yesterday at the trade deadline and moves that we did not see with Sauce Gardner.